Hey everybody, this is Albert from TonalEnergy Tuner. It's Tuesday and it means it's time for another tune-up. This week we're going to be talking about tuning up a guitar. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up the app. We're going to head over to TonalEnergy and we're going to go to the sound page. If you hit the sound button again, a menu pops up with different selections. We're going to go to the string tuning page. Now once you're in the string tuning page, strings pop up. Go figure. What you can do here is you can change the sound in the string page to the pluck string and decide what string tuning you want to be able to use. Now looking through the selections that we have here, we have over 20 different categories that you can select from. Inside of each category, let's check it out for a second here. 5-string guitar tuning, okay. Got a few in there. Mountain dulcimer tuning, nice. Orchestral strings, that'll be a different tune-up. Common guitar tunings, banjo tunings, and ukulele tunings for all you ukulele lovers out there. But for today, we're going to be using the common guitar tunings. So go ahead and select common guitar tunings and hit standard. That's the one that everybody knows how to use. That's E, A, D, G, B, E. Just like on a real guitar, when you strum the guitar on the TonalEnergy sound page, you get the pitches that you're going to tune to. Now, not only do you hear the pitches, you can also see the tuning pertaining to that key. You can also hold down the string so that you can constantly hear a plucked string to match while you're tuning. No hands. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and tune this guitar up. That doesn't sound good at all. So we're going to hold it down, and that's our E, that's our top string. Ooh, that's a little low. Okay, pretty close. A little high. Pretty close. Cool. Now that we've got that tuned up by ear, we can also adjust the tuning mode and range settings so that we can get extra accurate. We're going to hit this little button down here that says strings. It should automatically be set to strings, and we're going to go ahead and tune to the medium range. A little sharp. And just like with the target tuner, once you're in the green, it's a go. Oh yeah. Alright, so let's go ahead and see if it sounds the way it should sound. Yeah, I like that a lot better. Sounds way better. All right, everybody. So that's another Tonal Energy Tuesday tune-up. We totally just tuned up this guitar. So, question of the week, what string instrument are you going to be tuning with Tonal Energy? Comment below. If you have any questions or thoughts, go ahead and leave those below as well. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe to all of our social media. And until next time, stay smiley.